In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and accept collaborator requests in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share access to your store safely, whether you're working with a freelancer, a developer, or a virtual assistant. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From anywhere in the admin, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. In the Settings menu, open Users and Permissions. Depending on your interface, it may appear as users and security, but you're in the right place if you see options related to staff and collaborators. Scroll to the Collaborator section to find your 4-digit collaborator request code. This code is important because it controls who can request access to your store. Think of it as a gatekeeper. Only people with the code can submit a request. Treat it like a security token and share it only with people you trust. Copy that 4-digit code and send it to the person who needs access, such as your freelancer, developer, designer, or store manager. They'll enter this code when they request access to your store from their own Shopify partner account. For safety, share the code over a secure channel and avoid posting it publicly. If you'd prefer to invite someone directly instead of waiting for a request, you can add a collaborator manually. In the same users area, click Add Users. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. This is useful for virtual assistants, developers, store managers, or designers you already work with. Next, assign a role and set permissions. You'll see options like administrator, app developer, or staff member, along with a list of permissions you can toggle. Only grant access to the areas they truly need. For example, a developer might need permissions for apps and themes, while a store manager might need orders and products. Keeping access limited helps protect your data. When you're ready, click Save. Shopify will send an invitation email to the person you've added. They won't be able to access anything until they accept the invite. For the collaborator, the process is simple. Open the invitation email from Shopify, click the link, log into a Shopify account or create one, and accept the invitation. Once accepted, they'll automatically appear in your Shopify admin under your users or collaborators list. Finally, return to users and permissions and confirm they're listed. That's your sign that access has been successfully granted. Using collaborator access lets you work safely with others, control permissions, and avoid sharing your personal login. Review permissions regularly to keep your store secure. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.